Hey guys, how are you doing? Hope this is a better camera angle. Yes, my office is a mess. We're still cleaning stuff up. We'll do a whole tour once everything is done. But yeah, a lot of stuff happened within freaking this early morning. But we'll talk more about it and new stuff that's happening and setting up my collection as well. And if you do like me vlogging, please leave in the comments. Ask questions. I'll answer as best of my ability. Subscribe, like, and share, and check out the links down below as well. There'll be one more link probably add in would be the eBay link. I am bringing back the old store due to the fact that I have a lot of collection. I hoard a lot of a collection, and I need to sell majority of my collection just to help pay bills, projects, new cameras, new lighting, new remodeling for the office and for the house as well. Also to help for pay for BMO's medical bill this morning we're gonna deal with. So this morning around like 2 o'clock in the morning, 2 a.m. BMO was very affectionate and stuff, and BMO showed her butt to Ashley. There was a hole by her butt, by her leg, between the butt and the leg. There's a hole there, and there was a big hole, and you can see the ligaments and the tendons and everything else moving. So I freaked out, and then we found an ER in North Carolina, Charlotte. That's about 20-30 minutes away. Drove her there, found out she has a ruptured anal gland for it. So they said it is normal for it. If it didn't ruptured and ripped the skin, they had to go through with a scalpel to do it. So they had to clean it out, and she's taking antibiotics and pain medication. And wearing a cone of shame as well. I'll do a little short of her day to day uh, recovery from that as well. But BMO was very grumpy at the ER. I'll tell you, she did not like anyone holding her and cleaning up that accessed a ruptured anal gland. So she is fine, but she's too old for surgery. There's more cysts growing on her belly, but she's 13 years old and she has asthma and a lot of medical problems as well. So she cannot survive another surgery for that. So long as she's comfortable and she's doing okay, that's the only thing we could do. I could do for her. So that's one of the reasons why I'm selling some of my collection because I do have a lot of cats. A lot of I have two senior cats. Coffee is taking kidney and thyroid medication, and a lot of the other cats need to get their shots, get their yearly shots and check up as well. So it is very expensive. So I had to sell some of my collection just for that, and for you guys to enjoy it as well. The other reason why I'm selling it is a lot of my collection is collecting dust. It is collecting a severe amount of dust, and I don't look at it, and it's just taking up too much space. It's at a point that I'm becoming a hoarder of my collection that I've been collecting 20 plus years. So within that 20 plus years, it had gained a lot of value, and I'm selling it for like a very cheap price, like 70% of its actual value on eBay. A lot of stuff will be up by next week. Right now, we are doing yard sale this coming Saturday and the following Saturday and the third Saturday. We'll be doing a yard sale and try to get a lot of the stuff that we have out of the house and a lot of the money for my anniversary, Ashley's birthday, and Christmas gift, and so forth for that. So that's the main thing why I'm selling it and try to bring back the old store back up. Even though eBay charges 14% of it, and you gotta pay taxes. I believe you make more than 600 a month uh, for it. So you know what? I'm just gonna open the store, pay the taxes. I can deduct it by 1040K. Due to the fact that I bought a lot of resin and a 3D printer. I'm selling as well. Try to get a bigger printer going on for that. So those were the two main things that's happening for it. I'm doing a lot more proxies for Magic the Gathering. The value of the cards are dropping because I keep reprinting a lot of the old cards, and a lot of my values are dropping for it. So I'm switching to proxies and I'm gonna keep it as proxies for as much as possible. I know we're gonna buy the Final Fantasy one that's coming out for Magic the Gathering, but I'm just doing mostly proxies. I am not gonna sell the proxies. I'm just gonna play with friends. I don't do tournaments with it. We do casual. Um, Commander at the store, I do support. When I get there, I pay $5 to support the store and play and get a pity pack, and everyone there plays proxies for it. Everything's becoming digital as well. I know there's Amazon has a big sale for the D&D books. I am gonna take a look, see if I'm gonna get some. For now, I probably won't, due to the fact that we are right now in the try to sell stuff, not to buy more stuff. So we try to get that done and get that out of the way. We are doing orcs for painting for this month for the shorts for October for it. Right now, I have the orc truck on the side of me. Once I get everything cleaned up, more paint videos will be coming up as well. A lot of paint video has been scheduled all the way to January, but I have shorts to also schedule as well for that. We are going to be getting a Raspberry Pi 5 to emulate a lot of the older games for it, because I sold majority of my old retro games due to the fact that it just takes up too much space, and we need that space to remodel a lot of the places and pay for it as well. That it's pretty much that's what's going on so far. I know I'm gonna have to buy another video capture card. This one does not support Windows 11. It sucks, even though they have a firmware for it. It does not work. So I'm gonna get the Elgato one for the Express PCI Express one for it for this PC as well. I am gonna be trying to render and make my own 3D model. I'm gonna try to get the ZBrush, even though it's cost $850. Hopefully, with the collection I'm selling, we'll be able to get that money to buy the ZBrush program, and I actually be able to make some model. We'll start something small and work our way up as we go, and see how everything is going to happen with that as well. But other than that, a lot of games are gonna be coming up. We are gonna be streaming. I gotta figure out to do the multi-stream for TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch all at the same time. My Wi-Fi is not, my internet is not that great because it's plugged into a Wi-Fi wall to the other Wi-Fi down. But it looks like I have very good, strong connection, so that's pretty good. I had a direct connection from the old office that we put wired in for those as well. There's a lot of games I need to finish, need to play, a lot of stuff I want to get. I want to get the 16.1 inch printer. Every year, printers are getting bigger and bigger, and I just bought the biggest printer that you can get on the market was like a 13.1 inch. Now it's a 16 inch. Now there's a 20 inch. So there's a lot that's happening right now. I don't know if I'm gonna wait or I'm gonna just go ahead and just buy it as it is. For that, we are gonna be doing a lot more VR style thing, like VR chat. I'm gonna try to do VTubing as well. I'm gonna have to hire someone to do an avatar for me as the wizard, and we could do some D&D question with that, where I'm actually the wizard. Probably a female and a male wizard for it. But there's a lot of projects that's going on. If you have any ideas, leave it down in a comment down as well. But anyhow, if you do like the video, please leave a like, subscribe, like, and share. Talk to you guys next time. Have a great day, guys. Bye.